Hi, I'm Sandy Schroeck with today's quick tip. I want to show you the mechanic behind creating this floral chandelier that we did yesterday in the event class. So you can see it's quite a large composition, but the structure is actually one bunch of extra long curly willow is what we created the base structure for. At the points where the branches were touching each other, I zip tied some of that to create a structure, and then did a heavy duty zip tie that we added a carabiner to be able to attach to our ceiling tie. And you can see in this composition, the other thing we added in was a tube of the chicken wire that had some Spanish moss into it. So that way, this is something on-site installation, so it's quite lightweight in the mechanics, and some of the materials have water tubes. We use the aqua tube, green aqua tube for some of the hydrangeas and bigger stuff. But the roses we put in here yesterday, and they're still fine today with that downward presence. And then we've also added in some permanent botanical Phalaenopsis orchids, and these, I have 3 styles of the orchids, and so they give a realistic look. So that way you have the opportunity to be able to add in some permanent botanicals where they can't touch them and use those as rental to be able to enhance your floral decor. So this piece here, and you can see that it kind of spins a little bit. We had a fan going in here yesterday, and so it was adding some kinetic activity to the room, and it was really wonderful. So I hope you'll take these mechanics and create some fabulous florals.